Hey, what's up everyone? This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus white version. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing. No knife here, so no need for one. Still, look at this. It's so nice. The boxing, look how nice the boxing is. Alright, give me a second. Turn this off. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, see, this white one is nice. It's supposed to be just pearl, but this is nice. I'm not gonna lie, this is a really nice white. I really do like this white. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I did like the blue. I did like the black. The black not as much. They had a pink version, but this white version is really nice. I really do like this white version. And it's 128 gigabytes, by the way, in case anybody was wondering. So, this is the unboxing of everything. Now, well, the phone. Now, of course, your charger, fast wireless charging. Take note of that. Of course, you have your other connector here, and this is the headphone cord, of course. I mean the charger cord. Just that's it there. And this is the headphones. These are the headphones. And they give you, this is the AKG headphones that Samsung gives out because they're boss. Now, I was aware that these headphones can retail for up to $100, and they send these with your phone for free. Now, since the phone's white, these headphones are white. But if you have a black phone or blue phone, then your headphones will be black to match with your phone. But these ones are white to match with these. Like, for example, if you have a different color phone, then you're going to get the black headphones. It's like these. So, that is the unboxing. And take a look at this one more time. Oh, wait. The most important part. Hear that? Let me focus. There we go. It's not focusing here. Here we go. That looks nice. Oh, there you go. Everyone, thanks for watching. Have a good one.